My dear students, I am going to teach you subtraction. Subtraction of two numbers. Either the numbers are small or great. Yani you have to subtract the two numbers in a very simple method. So I am telling you the method. See here. Question number first. 946 minus 485. We have to subtract these two terms. Write down these two terms in vertical form. Now, we have to make the operation on these columns. So mention these columns above this question. This is the first column, write down first. This is the second column, write down second. This is the third column, write down third. These are the columns. So we have to make the operation one by one on each column. My dear students, see here. Take first column. This is column first. In first column, there are two terms 6 and 5. We have to subtract 5 from 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And the answer of first column is 1. Write down this answer under column first. This is the first column. Write down this 1 under this first column. Now take second column. In second column, we have to subtract 8 from 4. But this is not possible. When there is subtraction is not possible, we have to take 1 from the next numbers. So take 1 from 9. 4 and next number is 9. We have to take from 9 1. So therefore, this 4 becomes 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Write down this 6 because this 6 is the answer of the second column. Write down under this 6 column 2. This is 6 is the answer of second column. Now take the column third. In third column, we have taken 1 from 9. Now here 8 remains. So we have to subtract 7 minus 8. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Write down 1 under this column third. So this is the answer 161. This is the difference of these two terms. My dear students, this is the method of subtraction. This method is very simple method. If you apply this method, there will be no mistake at all. So I am taking second question. Question number 2. 94867 minus 56786. My dear students, this is the second question. In this question, the numbers are somewhat large as compared to the first question. So write down these numbers in the vertical form. 94867. Second 56786. We have to subtract this number from this. So as you have seen in the first question, write down the columns. This is the first column. Write down here 1. This is the second column. Write down 2 about this. This is the third column. Write down third about this. This is the fourth column. Write down here 4. And this is the fifth column. Write down fifth. These are the columns mentioned. These are the columns. So, my dear students, now we have to take one by one these columns, and we have to make the operation as we have done in the first question. Now, operations. What is? Column first. Make the operation on column first. Here, you see, we have to subtract 6 minus 7 minus 6. 6 from 7 in first column. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So write under column first. Here write. Now column second. Take column second. Now in column second, we have to subtract 8 from 6. 6 minus 8. But my dear students, this is not possible. So we have to take one common. Take here 1 from. Take 1 from 8. Because 8 is the nearest number of 6. Or 8 is the neighbor of 6. So this implies 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. And write, because this is the answer of the second column, write under column second. Because this is the answer of the second column. Write here 8. Now take column third. Take column third. My dear students, in third column, we have to subtract 7 minus 7 because we have taken 1 from 8. Here 7 remains. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Write under column third. This we have to write under column third. Operation on column fourth. What is fourth column? Here we have to subtract 6 from 4. 4 minus 6. Again, this is not possible. My dear students, take 1 from which number? 9. Take 1 from 9. And this implies, what implies? 4 becomes 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. As you have seen, 6 becomes 16, 4 becomes 14. In this way, you have to make the operation. This 8, write under column and write under which column? Fourth column, 8. Now again, we have taken 1 from 9. Here only 8 remains. So in column Column fifth, 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Write this right under column 5. Column 5, 3. And my dear student, this is the answer. You have seen in first questions the terms were 3 digits. In these questions, terms are of 5 digits. So, whatever the question may be, apply the same method, you will get the right answer. There will be no mistake if you apply this method systematically. Where the numbers, first number is more than the second, then the difference, there is no problem. When the first number is small and second is great, then there is a problem. You have to take one common from the nearest number. So, my dear students, this is the method. Only the two things you have to take seriously. When the numbers are in proper form, there is no problem. Write down the difference under the column. When the numbers are not in proper form, then you have to take the one common from the nearest number or the neighbor number. This is only the two operations you have to make in each and every column, and you will get correct answer. This is the answer of my dear student. So, in the last, my dear student, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.